What you will learn after this course, first of all, my course separates into 5 main parts. The first one is a volume in the single candles, and the second one is a volume in a group of the candles. The third one is a confluent charges with the key levels. Key level is a combine of supply, demand, and market structure. And the next one is a simple way to use smart money concept. And the last one is how to use multiple time frame effectively. In every part, you also can learn very detailed about the first one, volume in a single candles. You will learn how to use the single candle. What is story behind single candles to entry, define the risk case to quick access. I mean that's the risk management. And the second part, you can understand how to use volume in the group of the candles to define the momentum of the market, to define the possibility whether the price come into a strong zone can continue entry into the market or not. And the third one, in this part, you will learn how to draw the key levels, understanding about the market cycle, stop loss using the Elliott theory, and how to scale your position, especially when you're trading with the funds like the FTMO, TCAP, or other funds. This part also one of the main part of these strategies with confluent strategies, and the next one is a simple way to use smart money concept. Smart money concept also quite complicated, but in this course you can understand how to use it most simply, and you also can understand the easy way to define smart money concept. When smart money join into the market using the imbalance and also using the volume, and how to define the POI point of interest to entry. I will guide you the indicators to define the imbalance in the market quickly. And also after this course, I also guide you how to combine key level strategies and smart money concept to be one of the consistency strategies to use it most effective in the trading, also in the investing. All the secrets behind true strategies will be shared in this course, also combined with the volume and how to use multiple time frame. I will talk about multiple time frame, how many time frame you need to use, and the most simple way to use multiple time frame to analyze in the market. Totally, you can do after this course, understand story behind single candles using volume, especially some types of the candle is a marble candle, pin bar, and doji. And the next one, using single candle with volume, reading the momentum of the market with volume, analyze the market structure exactly. Here is a very important part because if you analyze the market structure wrong, everything after that will be wrong. Key levels or the smart money concept also wrong. Therefore here also very important. The next one is apply multiple time frame effectively. And the next one is simplify your trading system by using only one time frame to trade in the markets to help you avoid complicated or confused when you backtest or real trading on the market. The next one, apply confluent strategies with volume. Also apply smart money concept and combine two strategies together in the market. And understanding market cycle, where is the best place you can entry, using scaling strategies. All these things you will learn to do only 3 things. The first one, understanding big picture of the market to see the best play to entry, take profits, stop loss, and also trailing stop to maximize your profits. And the next one, how to combine smart money and key level strategies to trade effectively. Here, two strategies combined together is very useful when you're trading and investing. And the last one, apply to trade in all the markets. You no need to change your strategies when you're trading or investing on the forex markets or other markets. Only one strategy is enough, and here is strategies you need to have in your pocket. Thank you, and hope to see you in the course.